Hey everybody, welcome to another EdTech tutorial. This one is going to be an overview on a new tool that I found. It's new to me. It's called Inspod.io. Inspod.io. And when you sign in, this is your landing page here. And what Inspod does is it allows you to take notes on a podcast or on a YouTube video from your phone if you download the app, or on a browser. So I'm going to use the browser view today. And like I said, this is your landing page. I'm going to hit New Note. And when I do that, it gives me the option of doing a podcast or YouTube video. I'm going to do the YouTube video to start. All right, I'm going to go to one from my channel. Let's just use the Canva mind maps and infographics. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and add note and moment. All right, you have notes and you have moments. So moments allows you to save a particular place within this video. Notes are what you're describing in there. You're just adding notes like you're taking notes on it. So I'm going to go to add note and moment. That's going to bring up the video. Now, what I'm going to do is quickly just start this, pick a random spot, but I'm not going to talk over it because I'm also talking in the video here. So here we go. Hey everybody, Alright, so what I'm going to do is just fast forward it to right here. I'm on Canva making these infographics in the video. Alright, and now what we want to do is kind of give you an introduction of the platform that you see here. So here is where we capture a moment. When we are doing this within our phones, it's just this little symbol right here, and it's found in the lower right-hand corner. And you just hold that for however long you want it to capture. For here, what I'm going to just do is capture the start of it. All right, so you have the capturing here. We have no moments so far. But down here, we also have to take a look. So we have these little hashtags or these little bookmarks. If you edit those, or the title, so this is the title of the video, I'm going to leave that how it is. But when we come down here, we could add tags. So if we are a teacher collecting EdTech tools or some skill that we could do in Canva, we could tag that skill. We could tag Canva here. So I have it under YouTube. I'm going to just leave it there and I'll hit confirm. All right, so we are at 1 minute and 39 seconds of this video. I'm going to go ahead and capture this moment. All right, it marks the time. Here I'll just say info graphic, and that will be my title. And for me, I use this as a tech coach by when someone has a question like, how do I make X, Y, and Z on Canva? Well, I go to Canva and I'll show them, or if there's a video already out there that I know about, I'll go to the spot, I'll mark it, and I'll just simply say, here is the answer to your question. And it's as simple as that. That's all I'll do right there. All right, I'll hit the enter. I'll go off of it a little bit. And now we have a share button down here. So when I go here, you have a couple different options of sharing it, Facebook, Twitter. I'm going to copy the link. And then when we go into a new browser window, say I emailed this to somebody and they go in here, they'll simply go there and guess what? Here's everything. I just typed them in the spot where they can find their answer, and that's it. So this is Inspod. I think it's super awesome. If you go over to podcasts, it works the same way. You listen to the podcast, and this is what I think is better on the apps for your phone because, to be honest, that's probably where we listen to most of our podcasts. And you could do the same thing. Your podcast will come up right here where the video is, and you can go ahead and start taking moments down and taking notes. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope that you give Inspod a try.